Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. This is a project that I designed back in 2017 as a Graphic 45 brand ambassador. This is a very large folio album using their Master Detective paper collection. I promised one of my subscribers that I would share this on a video, a showcase of it, so stay tuned. Let's take a look at this album, folio album. First of all, it is the finished size is 9 1/4 wide by 10 1/2 tall, and it has a 2 3/4 inch spine on this side, which is a double opening spine on the right. It has a belly band closure, or a wraparound closure rather than a full belly band. Because of the way this collection was, I did a lot of fussy cutting out for all these elements here, the guys, the Sherlock Holmes, and the skull, and the pipe, and the skeleton on the chase lounge, and then also the bookcase. And the bookcase has a special element where you pull this out and it has a victim. We don't know who the victim is. So that was a lot of fun to create on this. Of course, I will be remaking this for a special event that I usually do annually. It's called, I call it my 13 Frights before Halloween. The tutorial for this album is on Snapguide, which has changed to another name. It's kind of hard to find sometimes, but that's how I shared the tutorial when I was a Graphic 45 brand ambassador. But I think it's time to remake it, and I'll probably change a little bit on the structure here of it, and I'll do a tutorial video of that. So it'll be for 13 days, 13 videos, starting October the 18th. Which will give us 13 days. There'll be a video each day leading up to Halloween, and I'll show you in a bit what I'm going to be using for that. It will be a Graphic 45 paper collection. So let's take a look at this. So it has a magnetic closure here on the sides. This opens up. I gave you the finished size of this when it's closed up, but when this book is opened all the way, it is a full 40 inches with all the flaps going out. So I won't be able to show you all of it together, but I'll show you the best I can. So this folds out, so this opens this away. So it's kind of mirrored on each side. Here in the center, I added a fun element, this slider here. So life is a mystery. It goes up and down. So let's take a look at the left side first. It's been a while since I've opened up this folio and really looked at it, but it has lots of areas for big pictures. So this is a ribbon belly band with a photo mat here. So that just slides in and out on that first place to keep it flat so that it closes. And then this opens up. I'm going to see how we can do this. So we have a lot of area here. Okay, let's see here. So this one opens up this way. So we have full solid here and here. These double flaps like this. Full here. This takes a lot of cardstock, a lot of paper, and then this full size here. And then on the far left side, we have this fun acetate frame that has the stamped skull here with the spiders, spider webs in the background. It has a chipboard flip up. And then, of course, in the pocket, this comes completely out. So you can put things on the front and the back. So you can add your own photos or just leave it like this where you can see through the skeleton. So this, I'll show you how to do that in the tutorial. So this all closes back. In the center, we have a very large waterfall. It has the flap that closes like this, and so then it all opens up, and I did pattern the front and the back on all of these. So as you see, you can take quite a bit of patterned paper here, but that's a great place for photos. Then we slide it over, and then here on the right side, like I said, it's a mirror of the other. But anyway, let me close this one down so we can see. This opens up, again, we have a large photo mat in here. Actually, I have two. Did I have two on the other side? No, I just had one. This one has, I thought it was two, just one. No, it has two. So I think the other one probably has two as well. Yeah, it does. So it has the patterned one, and then it has the plain one. So you have lots of room for photos. I told you I've forgotten what all I put in here at the time. So this slides under. Let's see, what does this do something? This just kind of loose and slides back and forth. I forgot that I had done that on this element here. And then of course this opens up just like we did on the other one. We have, instead of, I think instead of the window frame or the frame, we have this that opens this away. So this opens out like this. And then we have all these inside here flaps. And then that closes up. That's a tuck spot there. So this folds around. So that's the center section of that one, where the other one has the waterfall. And then these all flip up. We've got the half ones here, which is the same on the left side. And then this side, instead of the window picture frame, we have the stacked pockets where you can put all your different cut aparts and extra photo mats that you might want to use in your album. So that is my mysterious folio using Graphic 45's Master Detective paper collection. And again, I'll be doing a remake of this in October, starting October the 18th for my 13 Frights before Halloween. Let me show you what I'm going to be using. Okay, so I made a pre-order back when this became available from Country Craft Creations and got it all. And then I did, when I decided I was going to do this project for my 13 Frights before Halloween, I went back in and ordered some more, and I just checked. There's still this collection available, but you know how Graphic 45 is. It can run out, so I don't know how much is available. So go to countrycraftcreations.com, click on brands, click on Graphic 45, or in the search bar, just type in Midnight Tales. So I did get the black roses by Graphic 45 and the purple. Not sure if I'll use them, but I got them just in case. These are the ephemera assortment that come with the collection, the cutouts. So we got all of that. There's 48 pieces in there, so I'll probably definitely use that. I have the journaling and ephemera cards, which are the 4x6 and 3x4s. So I got a pack of that. I got a pack of the Midnight Tales chipboard collection. That. I have the collection pack. I ordered 2 when I initially ordered this collection because I knew that I would love it. Got the stickers, so there's 2 sticker packs in there. So I went back and ordered a pack of the patterns and solids because I thought that uses a lot of paper. I don't remember how much, so I wanted that. And then to make sure that I don't short myself, I went in and ordered 36 sheets of different patterns that I really like this particular 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 or 6 sheets of this, 6. So, you know, I love this, and I knew I liked this on the back. I knew I was going to want that. So I want to be sure I have plenty. So I have 36 single sheets of the patterns that I like in this Graphic 45 collection. And then from Country Craft Creations, I ordered 2 packs, 25 sheets to a pack, of the black artisan cardstock. This is going to be so much better for this album because the other one that I have, I can see it hasn't been used much, but there's a little bit of rubbing or fibers coming loose on the side of that album. So this is going to be so much better. So mark your calendar, October the 18th. I'm going to be remaking my Graphic 45 Mysterious album that I designed and created as a brand ambassador back in 2017, but this time I'm going to be using Midnight Tales by Graphic 45. So if you love Graphic 45 and you love Halloween, join me then. Thanks so much for watching. And be sure and check out countrycraftcreations.com for your supplies. You're going to need some art glitter glue too. Thanks. Bye-bye.